morning all. Myself Mamta, Department of Physics, GFGC Autonomous Group B. Today I am going to consider decay of charge in CR circuit under transient current. So now the capacitor and the resistor are connected in series. So now throw the switch to the position 2. So now the capacitor is already charged to a maximum charge of Q0. So now the capacitor discharges through the resistance R. So in the circuit, so there is no battery, so no EMF. So therefore we can write at t equals 0, t is equal to 0, charge on the capacitor will be equal to Q0. So therefore Q by C plus IR will be equal to 0. So that is the potential difference across the capacitor plus the potential difference across the resistor will be equal to 0 since there is no battery or that is EMF. So but we know the definition for I. So I is nothing but dq by dt. So therefore R into dq divided by dt will be equal to, so now let us transfer Q by C to the LHS minus Q divided by C. So transfer R to RHS, we have dq divided by dt will be equal to minus Q divided by CR. So rearranging the terms, we have dq divided by Q will be equal to minus 1 divided by CR into dt. So now integrating on both sides. So if integrate this, we have log of Q will be equal to minus 1 divided by CR t plus constant. So this is the constant of integration. To find the value of constant, so we know that at time t is equal to 0, Q equals charge on the capacitor will be maximum, so that is Q0. Substituting this condition in the above expression, we have log Q0 will be equal to minus 1 by CR into 0 plus constant, or constant will be equal to log Q0. Substituting the value of constant in this expression, so we have log Q will be equal to minus 1 divided by CR into T plus constant. So constant is log Q0. So transferring this to LHS, we have log Q minus log Q0 will be equal to minus 1 by CR into T. So this is log Q divided by Q0 will be equal to minus 1 divided by CR into T. So raising exponential on both sides, we have Q by Q0 equals e to the power of minus 1 by CR into T. Or finally we have Q equals Q0 into e power minus 1 divided by CR into T. So this is the expression for charge during the decay in CR circuit. Suppose if I plot a graph of charge versus, so this is x-axis, y-axis, taking time along x-axis and charge along y-axis. So from the equation, it is clear that the charge decreases exponentially. So this is the maximum charge Q0. So decreases exponentially. So we know that if you substitute small t is equal to CR, so this is nothing but the time constant tau. Substituting t is equal to CR in the above expression, we have Q is equal to Q0 e power minus 1 by CR into CR. So CR gets cancelled, we have Q0 e power minus 1. So if I simplify that, so the expression reduces to Q is equal to 0.37 Q0. So therefore using this equation we can define time constant. So therefore time constant is defined as the time taken for the capacitor to discharge by 0.37 of the maximum value or 37% of the maximum value. Thank you.